Hello students, in first chapter rational numbers we have completed exercise 1b. Now move on to the next exercise, exercise 1c, in which we will do multiply of rational numbers. So first is evaluate. First part minus 14 upon 7 multiply minus 6 upon 7. We will do this multiply. So first we will note down as it is minus 14 upon 7 multiply minus 6 upon 7. We have to remember this in these sums. We can divide this and this and this number by this number. We can divide or cut by same number. We cannot cut 7 1 the 7 because they both are in multiply. You know this already. So 7 2s are 40. Any other number which can divide 7, 6 or 2. We cannot divide this 2 3s are 6. We remember. So no number is divisible. So minus minus plus in multiply 2 6 are 12 upon 7. We will give this answer. We will not write in mix because chapter is rational number. So we will give answer in rational number. 2 6 are 12 minus minus plus 7 1 the 7. So 12 upon 7. Next second part. Same minus 11 upon 9 multiply minus 51 upon minus 54. So we will write minus 11 upon 9 multiply minus 51 upon minus 44. So minus minus cancel. We can cancel these two minus also. But minus minus plus or cancel. So 11 1 the 11. 11 4 the 44. Any other number? Yes. By 3, 9 is divisible and 51 is also divisible. So 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are no. 3 1 the 3. Remainder is 2. 21. 3 7 the 21. How we know this that 51 is divisible by 3? By the property of 3. 5 plus 1 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So 51 also. 3 1 the 3. 3 7 the 21. Any other number? No. So 17 1 the 17. 4 3s are 12. So 17 upon 12. This second sum. Evaluate. This sum is also same. But what is the difference? Here and is written in question. But here direct multiply. So in place of and we will write multiply first. So 5 upon 6 multiply 8 upon 9. Divide 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Not any other number. So 5 4s are 20. 9 3s are 27. Next minus 7 upon 8. Multiply 4. So what is the number here? 1. 4 upon 1. So 4 1 the 4. 4 2 the 8. 7 1 the 7. Minus plus minus. Upon 2 1 the 2. So 7 upon 2. Now student third sum is also evaluated. In which first this multiply, then this multiply, then addition of both the rational numbers. So we will write once again this 2 upon minus 3 multiply 5 upon 4 bracket plus 5 upon 9 multiply 3 upon minus 10. So 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4. See, any other number is divisible in this multiply? No number is divisible. Now come to this multiply. 3 1 the 3. 3 3 the 9. 5 1 the 5. 5 2 the 10. Now do the multiply. 5 1 the 5. 3 2 the 6. Minus plus minus 6 is coming. So we will not write with 6. We will write with 5. we will write with 5. This minus sign we will write with 5, not with 6. Now here 1 1 the 1, 3 2 the 6. So 1 upon 6. Here plus minus. So plus minus minus 6. What we are getting? Minus 1 upon 6. This we are getting. 1 1 the 1, 3 2 the 6. So plus minus minus 1 upon 6. And out of bracket is plus sign. So plus minus or write plus minus 1 upon 6. Write in this way. Don't open this bracket like plus minus minus. Write in this way. What we are getting? 1 upon minus 6. So write minus sign with 1. So minus 1 upon 6. Now solve this. Take the LCM. So LCM is coming 6. So 6 1 the 6. 1 5 the 5. Minus 5. Then this plus sign. 6 1 the 6. 1 1 the 1. Minus 1. As you all know, inside the bracket. So open the bracket. Minus 5. Plus minus minus 1 upon 6. What we will do? Addition of all negative integers. 5 and 1, 6. Which sign will come? Minus sign upon 6. So 6 1 the 6. Minus 1 is the answer. Second part. So we will write minus 5 multiply 2 upon 15. As it is, we will write first minus 6 multiply 2 upon 9. So 5 1 the 5, 5 3 the 15. Here in denominator is 1 upon 1. That is no need to write. 5 1 the 5, 5 3 the 15. Any other number? No. Then 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9. We cannot divide this 2 1 the 2. It is they are multiplied. 2 2 the 4. So 1 2 the 2 upon 3. So minus 2 upon 3. Then this minus sign. 2 2 the 4 upon 3. So minus plus minus 4 upon 3. Now subtraction LCM 3. Then 3 1 the 3, 1 2 the 2 minus 2. Then this minus sign. 3 1 the 3, 1 4 the 4 minus 4 inside the bracket. So minus 2. Minus minus plus 4 upon 3. So minus plus minus. 4 minus 2, 2. What we will get? 2. Which number is greater? 4 is greater having positive sign. So positive 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 is the answer. Now students, sum 4. Write the reciprocal multiplicative inverse of each rational number. Reciprocal is also called multiplicative inverse. So for reciprocal, we will write, suppose here is 5 upon 11. So reciprocal of 5 upon 11 is 11 upon 5. Means in place of numerator we will write denominator, in place of denominator we will write numerator. So how we will do this sum? See, first one, we have to write the reciprocal of 5. So we will write reciprocal of 5 is, so 5 means 5 upon 1. So reciprocal of 5 upon 1 is 1 upon 5. Second part, 5 upon 11. So same, reciprocal of 5 upon 11 is 11 upon 5. Next, third part. In third part, here is some calculation. See carefully. So we will write this minus 7 upon minus 8. So minus minus cancel. It means 7 upon 8. So reciprocal of minus 7 upon minus 8. We will not write 7 upon 8. We will write minus 7 upon minus 8. So reciprocal of this 8 upon 7. This third part. Oh, it is not third, it is fourth part. So fourth part, in fourth part also we have to solve. So we will solve this calculation first. So minus 3 upon 8 multiply 20 upon 27. So 3 1 the 3, 3 9 the 27, 4 2 the 8, 4 5 the 20. Any other number? No. So 5 1 the 5, 9 2 the 18, minus plus minus. So minus 5 upon 18. So we will write reciprocal of this number. Minus 3 upon 8 multiply 20 upon 27 is minus 18 upon 5. Reciprocal of minus 5 upon 18 is minus 18 upon 5. So we will write reciprocal of this number is minus 18 upon 5. Now students, exercise 1C is completed. Watch the video carefully and do these homework sums. Thank you.